Have you ever thought what the world would be like without one little math trick?
A math trick? What do you mean?
I mean a single line of math that helps us store more on our phones, measure earthquakes, and even tune music better.
Wait, really? One line does all that?
Yup, it turns big, messy multiplication into simple addition. The equation goes log x plus log y equals log xy.
That's it? Sounds simple.
Super simple, but super powerful. It makes hard calculations easier, which is a big deal for science and tech.
So, who came up with it?
A guy named John Napier from Scotland back in 1614. But here's the twist. Some say mathematicians in India and the Arab world were doing similar stuff way before him.
So he might not be the only one.
Exactly. But no matter who started it, this equation became one of the 17 equations that changed the world.